Okay, here we are, Chapter 4 review with the answers to numbers 10 through 12. We're going to turn the repeating decimals into fractions and simplify them. Neat little connection with system of equations. So here is 0.6 repeater. So if we write down that x is 0.6 repeater on forever, we can multiply by something to make this equation advance the decimal one. 10x equals 6.6 repeater. Oh yeah. So then we have, if we subtract them or times by -1 and add them, I'll subtract here, then we get 9x equals, look at that, those go on forever and now cancel, and this becomes a 6. X equals 6/9, and you're like, oh duh, 0.6 repeater, that was 2/3. We knew that from the beginning. That is correct, 2/3. All right, let's see if we can do that with a couple of these others. 11. So x is 0.303030, and I'm going to write it like that. And then if we multiply by something to advance the decimal past the repeating pattern, we would have to times by 100. So this is 100x equals 30.303030. And when we subtract them, what happens? Ka-ching, ka-ching. All of the decimal components go away, and we now have 99x equals 30. Divide by 99, and we get x equals 30 over 99 equals, divide by 3, and divide by 3, that's 10 over 33. 10/33. And just for fun, you really ought to punch this in. 10 divided by 33, and you'll see you do get 0.303030. Kind of fascinating, that. So number 12, last one here. If x is 0.258, and let's write it one more time, 258 with the line over it, we would need to times by 1,000 to advance the decimal to where it repeats again. So 1, 2, 3, x, 1,000x is 258.258 repeater. Oh, good. And then what happens when we subtract and subtract? We get 999x equals 258. So x equals 258 over 999. Ooh, does that simplify it all? Looks like a 3 can go into top and bottom. So a 3 going into the top, let me see, 3 goes into that, 80, it'd be 18.6, and 333. And I think that's about as far as we're going to be able to get on that. So we have 86 over 333.